What's up, E30 maniacs? Looks like somebody doesn't like me parking over here. I don't know, these cones are new. I'm not sure what that's about, but guess I'll have to move them out of the way before I leave. Anyway, I see, guys, I can see you going into the shop, and this kit, the bracket kit, the bumper tuck bracket kit that I just put up a little while ago has been pretty popular on the website. I see you guys, but I can tell you're going in and you're going into the cart and you're not pulling the trigger. See how clean that looks? Oh yeah. So look, I'm not telling anyone how to spend their money. I get it. Cash is tight these days, but if you've done the bumper tuck job, just consider it. Just consider it. So anyway, I gotta get out of here. And oh yeah, heads up though. Got a little product kind of coming, little product on the way, but got a really big product on the horizon. A game changer, if you will. So I don't want to say when that's coming because it's still in development. It's still in prototyping phase, but we do have something real big coming, so keep an eye out for that, and the little product coming up soon. So I'm gonna pull up to these cones and get them out of the way and get on home. Catch you guys soon.